guys, I'm out here working in the yard and I still have some dahlias that are in bloom and the bees are just loving it. I mean, he's really going to town there. I'm like, yeah, they're flying all around. I have a moth here. I'm like, they don't really visit this one as much. Mind you, I think this one's a lot prettier, but not to the bees, I guess. They don't find it as attractive. Yeah, he's still there, man. I'm like, yeah, I'm trying to get some stuff done out here, doing some cleanup. But yeah, I'm being kept company by all the pollinators that are still out on their job. Look at that moth. I'm like, yep. So pretty. Like, I still have quite a few things blooming here in the garden, and this is my hardy hibiscus. I'm like, and she's still putting on some really beautiful flowers. I'm like, yeah, it's loaded with flowers all around. Oh, look at this over here. Look at that. That's so pretty. So yeah, I'm trying to enjoy the beauty that is still left in the garden so far. These marigolds are looking fabulous. I'm like, I don't know if the camera is truly picking up the color, the way it's presenting itself to me in person. I'm like, when I look through my kitchen window, it looks very neon-like in its presentation. So yeah, I got some zinnias. It's pretty windy out here, but I just wanted to try to capture the beautiful things that are still happening for me in the garden. Yeah, look at that marigold. There's one autumn joy. There's a sedum down there. I got some Gerber daisies that are still blooming for me. Like, they're very pretty. I got these on clearance earlier in the year. Look at that red one. I'm like, yeah. So that's really pretty right there. I'm like, I have this geranium. That's really pretty too. And I have her friend, this red looking one. And I wanted to show you that I have a strawberry in there. All right, I'm gonna walk around and see what else is blooming. I got more zinnias. Look at them. Look at her from the top. So pretty. And they get to be so tall. I'm like, yep. All right, I wanted to show you my hydrangea. I'm like, I trimmed this up and I think I'm gonna keep it like this from now on because it was, I mean, it's a beautiful, healthy plant. And I didn't have any real problems. It blooms, it looks wonderful, but I don't like the idea of all the branches being on the ground and then I can't see underneath it. I'm like, I need to know what's trying to live and nest underneath there. But yeah, so I trimmed it up and we'll see what happens in the spring. I'm like, but yeah, she looks good. She's got a whole nother set of blooms on her. I'm like, yeah. I'm like, they've already done their blue. I'm like, there's still a little tinge left. But yeah, it's always very beautiful once they dry in the fall. It's a spider. So yeah, oh, there's one blue one at the top. Kinda, you can kinda see that. It's being overshadowed by this crepe myrtle here. Again, more zinnias. Oh man, this is blowing my mind now. I can't think of what this is called. If I remember, I'll put it in the video. Man, look at this one. Look at this zinnia. That's so beautiful. Oh my gosh, she ages. She's getting, you know, you see this little orangey tint to her. But yeah. Got this white petunia. And again, I'm drawing an absolute blank on these white flowers. But yeah, and my knockout roses. I'm like, yeah, they look good. They've put on a, you know, they've put on another set of blooms. So yeah. Oh, I have this purple grass. I don't know that the camera's truly doing it justice, but it's got really pretty wispy purple, you know, grasses like flowers on it. And here's another one of my hardy hibiscuses. Darn it. It's gone. Oh, he went around the corner. Hey guys, today I had a small harvest. I just wanted to end the video and show you what I ended up getting out of the garden today. I got a couple eggplant there. I got some habanero peppers. I got some sage leaves that I'm going to dry. Some bell peppers there. There's some jalapeno peppers down there too. And my daughter put these marigolds in there. All right, so yeah, that's how I ended my day today. I want to thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment. And yeah, let me know what you're still harvesting. All right, guys, bye.